We are on our way to
the airport right now.
Yeah, we're just waiting for our parents
and our brother.
Yeah, because they're
Take forever.
they take Oh, okay. That's cool. We are in the airplane, the fan. So it's the next day, and I'm currently doing my makeup because we're gonna go do an activity or like more like hiking. But this is my makeup so far. My eyebrows look dark, but I didn't even fill them in that much. Like I literally did like. So we're on our way to
An activity that we're gonna be doing.
Yes, and are you so excited?
Yes.
We have started our hike to the waterfall.
So it's like a 30-minute walk?
Yes, and Sophia got a flower for her hair.
Esos tapetes salió de esta arriba, mira. Salió.
Alguien estaba. Y se fue.
How are you liking Honolulu so far?
I like it. I'm most excited of pool, beach, and fountain.
Oh, gotcha. No, not yet.
Can I touch it? I touched it.
No está resbaloso.
Salí.
That was sticky, but we made it.
I don't know how you guys understand how you guys wear makeup, like.
¿Dónde empezamos?
That there is a lot of water and then after, yeah, when
You want to be a scientist, starting with
like when it's like winter, that could also happen. When it's like summer, that could happen. Any like season. Good, I like that one.
We just got shaved ice as a little break before the waterfall.
About 30 minutes.
Oh, ahí hay baños pequeños.
We're really close to the waterfall, might be over there.
Vamos a llegar en un buen baño. Es para estarse bañando todo, cada hora. Los que están aquí están.
Try them both mixed and it's really good.
¿Quieres saber?
Like both together.
Ahí está la otra.
¿No está bien dulce?
No, no está
Y
dulce.
Y en la historia no se ha aparecido ningún tigre.
¿No quieres?
No, acá no tengo que ir a los
La
carros.
piña está bien buena.
La de piña. ¿Dónde la agarraste allá?
Sí. Somos igual que aquí.
¿Eso es tu cuchara? Pruébala.
No, ¿para qué?
¿Amiga? So we're at a little food truck place, and my sister got a crate. I didn't get anything. How's your crate?
Really good.
I'm gonna wait to eat later. And then my brother got some garlic shrimp with rice. Okay. We are walking to Cane's. feel about Hawaii so far?
I just got some tea.
Yes, we did. About to eat because we haven't ate. Well, we were eating like snacks, but
But like that's not food.
like
We need
fries.
food.
And now we're walking back to our hotel. So pretty. So it's our third day here and we're about to go. My dad and my brother went on a boat ride and none of us wanted to go, so they went by themselves. So me, my mom, and my sisters are getting ready right now. We're just gonna go walk like down the strip of like all the shopping centers. So, okay then. And I'm just getting ready right now. I'm just blow drying my hair. I kind of already started, but just gonna do the rest of it. And yeah. So I just finished my hair. This is the final result. It looks a little frizzy, but I honestly kind of just gave up at the end. It's tiring. This is tiring. But I did the job and I just need to go do my makeup now. We are at a shopping center. Okay. Wait. I'm gonna do ponytail or a bun?
Ponytail.
Ponytail? Okay, and then I'm gonna put okay, that looks better. So we are at a shopping center. That's my sister and my mom. Madi, hola. Hola. And we're resting here. And my sister, my other sister is right there. What is Sophia doing? I don't know. What are you doing, Sophia?
It's like a temple.
A tadpole?
Yeah, there's some in there. You see?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that's what that is.
Oh.
That's what they're called, huh?
Hmm?
Is that what they're called?
Do I know what they're called?
Is that what they're called?
I think.
I'm gonna go over here because I think it's hard.
So we're at this, like, what is it called? Korean? Like, Asian food? Yeah, and we're trying this is Paula's first time trying.
Yeah, cheese bowl.
what it looks like. Ooh, yeah. Oh, that's a huge tree. This one's like a lot crispier than the other ones I tried, but I really like the breading. But the sauces make it really good.
I know, that sounds like
We're looking for my mom and my other sister. They're still in the same spot.
Are they?
Yeah. Is that my mom? Oh no. That looked like my mom. I wonder where.
Oh, they're pink. Yeah.
Oh, yeah. They're. Okay. Dude, same. We got like. Our feet are done. Oops. How's your corn dog? What do you rate it? Would you try it again?
How can you?
It needs sauces for sure.
But it's good.
Yeah. What is she? Oh, that's cool. Can you try that?
Cheese. Nothing else.
It's literally just
a corn dog
mozzarella
with
cheese.
just cheese. You're gonna get a cheese pull. Ready? Bite it and pull. Oh, you didn't get a cheese pull.
Look what else I got.
Do you like it though?
Did you like it?
Yeah.
Get it?
What else did you get?
Puro queso.
What is it?
A peppercorn.
Okay,
Oh, you got that? I was gonna get it.
It says responsible,
Disciplined, self-control, good managers, lucky numbers.
there's 4, 8, 13.
Oh, I want one of those. Where are they?
They're in there.
Too late. ¿Te gustó? Okay. Where are we going to now? Okay. Okay.
No se me hace mejor esto.
This girl. ¿De dónde? We are
Oh my god, I need to get their
waiting. Some
Uber
t-shirts.
back to them.
Sophia, how was your purchase?
Good, I love
Was it successful?
Yeah, it was.
Yeah. No, there you can rent some.
At the pool you can, there's no floaties there.
Why do you need a floaty?
Yeah. You know how to swim.
And then you're just gonna clear it away.
Yeah.
You can't take it back.
We are over it. And our mom doesn't hurry up.
I want to go swim right now.
Yeah.
Yeah, be careful. No, it's okay. Stay sober. Yeah. How much are these little ones? 15. Oh, okay.
Look, son velas. She makes to like a Korean market, I think. We are at like a market.
Eso lo cancelamos. Yo no te dije que.
We're entering a marketplace. there's just a bunch of stuff. Oh wow, are you getting any? Yeah.
All for $20. And they're all
Right here. We got a Mexican street corn here. Super exciting. We're just waiting for it. And then we're gonna go back to our hotel. Wow, that looks super good. Are you gonna have some?
Yeah, I want to have a bite.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Okay. Is it hot? Oh, but is it good? Yeah, really good. I haven't had a corn on the cob in a very long time. Oh, I'm waiting for my corn now because it was really good. Yeah, too good to share one. So we just got some goodies. So we just got some food on the side, some fries, sliders, and little moments, and some drinks.